Hi.
An elevator.
I want to push that one. Dover.
Yep. There's Dover coal button. Adams coal button.
This thing has a good motor. Yeah, this thing's beat up.
Did they replace the floor in this?
I don't think so.
It lights up.
And slam the door too.
That's
the
new,
Dover
though.
slam. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, this one. These are all
Spoilers.
original.
I refuse to believe this is 1999.
Well, the building was probably built before that.
Definitely the restaurant
One
was.
more time.
Sure.
2 gongs for up, 2 gongs for down.
I felt that too.
Oh, just one call button.
Yep. This place has good food.
Doesn't help that I love Mexican food.
I was gonna say, isn't most Mexican food just great?
Oh, yeah.
There's a place in Santa Rosa that's amazing.
Beans and cheese and rice and
Are you
sour
talking about
cream
Juanitas?
and yummy.
No,
That place is
it's
splendid.
it's something else. I forgot the name of it.
Okay, I just didn't even notice that
Sorry.
at first.
I
Yeah.
always gotta point out, this is my favorite third-party button.
What would you do?
Sorry. I had to press my Adam Survivor.
I don't blame you.